Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm on my way down to a foreclosure auction in Connecticut right now, and I just wanted to take a little bit of time today to talk about what I'm seeing going on in the market. And I think there's just major opportunity coming for everyone who's kind of poised, paying attention, and ready to pounce. So right now, I'm actually on my way to see a 6-family, and I have my business partner running to another commercial property down in East Windsor, Connecticut. I'm heading to Hartford, and more now than ever, there's more and more auctions popping up, specifically like commercial type property, 5 units and bigger. I think we got a CBD factory now is actually going up today, commercial. We have the shopping plaza. We have so many other auctions coming, more and more, especially commercial. And often commercial lags first and then residential. And there's going to be some major opportunities. And I'm talking to all the auctioneers now, and all of them are saying there's major push, especially at the end of this month. The CDC order for the foreclosure moratorium ends. So I think there's going to be massive opportunity. And what's also happening at the same time, we're seeing all these large banks starting to hoard cash, the reverse repo. They don't want to hold on to that stuff. They're thinking that basically, my assumption is they're thinking that there's going to be deflationary measures coming. So they want to be poised because cash is king during deflationary. And that also means we might see prices for homes and commercial property starting to come down. So there's going to be possibly massive opportunity for you guys out there, especially those that are obviously watching this video and that like our TikToks and our YouTube. So I just want to know, what are you guys seeing in your markets? Are you seeing the same thing as I'm seeing, an uptick in foreclosures? So for instance, in Connecticut, we were seeing maybe 1 to 2 a week actually before, and now we're seeing maybe 30 to 40 every week. And then in Massachusetts, we're same thing. Every week we're seeing more and more foreclosures. Now we're still seeing a massive amount of demand. We're still seeing more and more people at these auctions. But soon that will start to wane, as a lot of these people are one-offs. They'll get one property and then they're gonna have to take a while to adjust it, or they're really just kicking the tires and don't know what they're doing. So that's gonna happen. So as long as you run your numbers, and that's always the key, is running your numbers and stick tight to your bid number and your rehab numbers, and don't overinflate. Don't get excited by the hype of buying on the auction. You want to stick to your numbers, and that's going to protect you for your downside when the market does correct. And so there's going to be lots of stuff coming up soon. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. But as always, this is the Flippin' Landlord Ninja with 2 guys take on real estate. Thanks for kicking us off, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Awesome, guys. Have a great day. Thanks.